At this. Dami ng bacon. Cheers for cheese whopper. Hindi naman pala siya ganun kaanghang. Actually, ito na yung umaanghang. Hello guys, welcome to another video. And today, nandito tayo sa may Burger King kasi gusto natin i-review si Wolverine at si Deadpool. Deadpool x Wolverine. Sorry, hindi ba namin napapanood. And most likely, hindi namin mapapanood sa cinema yan. Daming ginagawa. So, ito na lang muna yung review na gagawin namin for today. Unfortunately, dito kami sa may Burger King sa may, sa may Vicas. Unfortunately, ang meron lang sa kanila is yung Deadpool na burger, yung spicy. Wala yung bacon something which is in Wolverine. Sabi nila is out of stock na daw. So, maybe we can review it some other time. So, pero for now, we bought 3 different burgers. So, yung Shimmy Merc burger, which is the Deadpool. And then, itong Whopper Jr. pero bacon, with cheese, and everything. Kalimutan ko yung sinabi na. And then, ito pala yung yung isa is SGBBQ Bacon King. Sorry, di ko alam. And yung 4 cheese na burger. So, tatlo. And let's try to see. Of course, yung 4 cheese lagi kung in-order yan, alam na natin yan. Pero we'll check still. Yun din ang gusto niya. Okay. Alright, so we'll start with the Deadpool one. Ito, yung maanghang. Check natin. See. Sarap. Deadpool, Wolverine in cinemas July 24. And meron siya. Nice. Ganda. And also, ito yung burger. See? It's cute. Red-ish. Yan. Alright. Okay, let's try to break it down. So, sa burger, merong of course, you have the lettuce. Ayan. Nahulog-hulog na si lettuce. You also have jalapeno. And then, merong parang sauce na itim. Yan. I'm not sure kung ano to. Pero most likely maanghang. Ano sa tingin mo to? Barbecue sauce? Hindi. Maanghang. Hindi ko alam kung anong sauce yun. I'll try to search for it. Lagay lang natin dito kung anong sauce siya. You also have tomatoes, of course. You have your onion. You have your cheese. And then, of course, the burger patty. And then, I think, mayo yun nasa ilalim. Ayan. Cheers! At, hindi naman pala siya ganun kaanghang. Actually, ito na yung umaanghang. Unti-unti nang umaanghang. Pero bearable naman. Pero may anghang. Siguro nga parang barbecue sauce nga siya, yung itim. Most likely. Medyo may pagka-maasim yung sauce. And then, kasi pagkakagat mo sa kanya, yung unang-unang burst of flavor na mararamdaman mo is the barbecue sauce. Yun. And then, followed by the onions and then the tomatoes. And then, after a while, tsaka mo lang mararamdaman yung patty itself. And then the cheese. Pero all in all, everything's good. Doon sa regular one, hindi na yung malaki yung kinuha namin para lang sure na mauubos since marami naman to. Also, interesting yung kulay nung bread kasi ayos yung niya, yung pagka-red niya hanggang sa loob. Kita niyo. Hanggang sa loob, red na red siya. So, okay to. It's very an interesting burger. If you're lover ng medyo maanghang na burger, this is one good burger, to be honest. Pero for this one, I think in Jimmy Merc burger is 159 for a solo. So, wala yata siyang malaki. I'm not sure. Wala yata siyang malaki. Solo tsaka meal lang yung nakita natin, no? Solo and meal. This is 159 and then the meal is pagkano? 200? 235. So, that's about 76 pesos difference. Sorry, 86 pesos difference. So, ayan. Kung mahilig kayo sa manghang, this is a good burger for you. Shout out na pala, Burger King, kapag balik ng A&W. I'm not sure kung bumalik, pero we have A&W at Burger King. I think before, parang meron lang certain meals or burgers na pwede siya. So, right now, I'm just not sure kasi medyo marami yung binili namin. Pinayagan ako na magkaroon ng A&W ng drink. So, wala lang, na-share ko lang. Alright, next. Itong burger na may barbecue, may bacon, and cheese burger. So, check this out. Siya, yan. So then, oops, wala pa pala. Ayan. And lumalabas na yung cheese. And there's barbecue sauce. Ayan siya. Ayan. Alright, let's try to break this down. Ayan. Alright, so I stand corrected. Ito yung barbecue sauce. Yung dark. Yung kanina hindi yung barbecue sauce. I'm not sure kung anong sauce yun. Pero this one's barbecue sauce. It also has the bacon, and then of course the cheese, and then the patty. So I think ito yung parang katumbas ng baconator, no? Baconator ng Wendy's. So yun nga sa Wendy's, syempre kung yung malaki yung bibilin ninyo, meron siya ng mga greens. So meron siya mga lettuce and yun. Tagal ko hindi bumibili ng baconator, so hindi ko na alam kung ano laman. Pero this one has a lot of bacon. Bueno, dami niyang bacon. Tapos, also the barbecue sauce. So, yeah, definitely this is different. Barbecue sauce niya is medyo manamis-namis na may kaunting tangy na what do you call this, na flavor. Pero this is the barbecue sauce that I know. Hindi yung kanina maanghang. Alright, so this one, let's try this out. Cheers! At this. Dami ng bacon. Dito, hindi overpowering yung sauce. So, yung kanina kasi, masarap yung burger. Definitely masarap yung burger niya. Pero kasi, kapag kakagat mo, unang-unang malalasahan yung sauce ng burger instead the burger itself. Eto, pag kakagat mo dito, unang malalasahan mo is yung bacon. Hindi yung barbecue sauce. Yung barbecue sauce, after the bacon, the barbecue sauce, medyo malasa mo. And then, yung lasa ng mismong burger patty, the beef flavor, yung napapasok. Sobrang ganda nung ang maganda nung pagkakasunod nung lasa. Kasi kapag kakagat mo, okay na okay siya. This is what you're basically expecting. Pagkagat mo, bumili ka ng merong bacon, merong barbecue sauce, may cheese, may, of course, the burger itself. So, yung taste mo, yung taste buds mo, yung palate mo, nag-expect na kagad ng bacon and then the barbecue sauce. And that is what you are actually going to get once you take a bite on this one. Hindi nag-overpower yung kahit ano. So, for this is actually good. Okay to. Sabi nga rin ni ate kanina dun sa ano, kasi actually nanong ko kung ano yung something na interesting na burger para sa kanya. Sabi niya nga ito, yung may bacon, may barbecue sauce. And this is one of the best sellers as well. So, I'll try to see what is the actual name of this burger. Lagay natin dito or somewhere here. Hindi ko alam, pero yun, pagka pumunta kayo ng Burger King, this is a must try. Kasi pagka lagi kami nagba-Burger King, it's either the Whopper or yung 4 cheese. Yun lagi yung lang yung binibili. Pero eto, this is the first time that I tried this. It's very good. Solid to. Alright, lastly, 4 cheese Whopper. Yung malaki yung binili namin kasi hati kami dito. yung ano yung mga maliliit sa akin lang daw yun. Ito sa kanya. Gusto niya may kahate. So, yan. Of course, a 4 cheese Whopper. Wala ka ng hanapin pa na iba. Kundi, of course, all the 4 cheeses. Ayan. This is the bigger one. Ayan. Ooh, nice. Alright. Medyo nagdikit na siya. Dumikit na yung yung cheese niya. It is it. Alright, let's see. Hey, wow. So, hindi ko alam kung ano-anong mga cheese ang nandito. Pero definitely there's mozzarella, there's cheddar. I'm not sure with the other 2 cheeses. Ayan. Check this out. This is nice. Alright. So, yan na putulan namin. Kakagat na rin tayo. Cheers for cheese Whopper. Masarap kasi talaga dito. Especially kung cheese lover ka. Ito talaga yung legit na alam mong iba't ibang cheeses yun nandito. Cheeses. Hindi wala po. Cheeses. Cheeses. Ano nandito, no? And
Ready?
kung malakas ka kumain, mare. Actually kasi before, kapag nagda-drive ako, especially kung may pupuntahan ako tapos hindi ako kumakain, I usually go to drive-thrus. For example, punta ako ng Jollibee. Pagka nag-drive-thru ako niyan, ang laging order ko niyan, 2 yung burger na meal na regular, tsaka isang a la carte na hotdog sandwich. So, 3 sandwiches, 2 regular fries, 2 Coke. Yun lang, akin lang yun. Ganun lang ang kumain. Kapag either hindi pa ako nagla-lunch or kapag gustong kumain ng ng drive-thru, yan, gano'n. Pero for this one, ito lang. Tapos isang regular na fries, tsaka Coke, plus water. Busog na ako. Mabigat kasi sa tiyan yung cheese mismo. Kaya, this one's good. So, ayun. Ayun guys, so, kung mapupunta kayo ng kung mapupunta kayo ng Burger King, I highly suggest you try out the Deadpool burger. It's very interesting. And also, yung isa yung may bacon na burger. And of course, all-time favorite naman tong 4 cheese Whopper. So, alam mo yan, kasama na talaga yan sa menu. And, ayun, meron pa tayong ibang mga pupuntahan na mga bilihan ng burger kasi we're not yet done with the burger battles. And, siguro baka pag-uwi namin dumaan kami sa susunod na burger battle natin. So, ayun. So, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell para updated din kayo sa lahat ng ating videos. And if there are any restaurants or any place that you would want me to go to para i-review, let me know. Just put a comment down below or send me a message. Like nyo na rin or follow nyo na rin yung page namin sa Facebook, Jason Stacy po yan. I'll put the link in the details below. So again, this is Jason. Thank you for watching another video. See you in the next one. Peace out. So, kain muna kami.